Hey, what's up? Hello, welcome to or back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren and I post all things fashion, lifestyle, and all about my small business. So today's video is a really exciting one. I am getting dirty, didn't even wear any rings because we're gonna be making our own rings. So I got all of these different oven baked clays, and I used to do oven baked crafts all the time whenever I was younger. I have done so many different sort of crafts, so I am like so happy to see that these are like back in trend and that there's millions of YouTube videos about these. So I wanted to partake in this. And also today's video is in collab with Ana Lott, I think that's how you say it. She is a small YouTuber as well. She posts all things fashion, cooking, lifestyle, and she also does paintings. So her channel is so cute and I love all of her videos. She reached out to me and was like, hey, we should do a collab, and I was like, okay, this is perfect. So we're gonna be making rings together. So be sure to check her video out. Link is down below. Go support her because she is amazing. And yeah, so let's get right into it. We are going to just move over here. I also have this stuff, which I know it's not the right thing. There was a glaze next to these things, but that thing was $6, so I left it at the store, but I got this instead. I don't know how this is gonna work, so this isn't really a tutorial, I guess. This is just you watching me do it. Hello. Okay, it's just glossy Mod Podge. So I put this on after it's out of the oven and everything. These are the colors that I have for spring. So I have purple, green, and blue. I also have two whites because I just didn't know what I needed. And then I have these brown tones. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. All of these rings I'm thinking about putting into my packaging actually. So if you ever order like a style bundle from me, or you order like a solo item, you might end up getting one of these. So yeah, I like to do little like gifts each month, and I think I'm gonna start this in April. So I think my April like little add-in is gonna be these super cute clay rings for springtime. So I have this handy dandy thing that I put my pizza rolls on, so they're still like little crusties. And then I next have this. This is just parchment paper. I should have watched a tutorial, but I didn't. Okay, and I also have these supplies because whenever I had a clay class last year in high school, I wanted to finish a project and my teacher like gave me this little like goodie bag and I could like finish it at home, but then we never went back to school, so I couldn't ever give it back to her. So I am so sorry. Have your stuff. I'm sorry. I could do some like big mushy things like that. They're really only for show. Like for me, I don't think that they're the most like fashionable. They're very Instagrammable and they're very like Pinterest worthy and TikTok worthy. So that's why we're gonna be doing them today. It out with my finger. I also want to try to make them like all different sizes, so not just my ring size, because I'm going to be adding these into packages like I said earlier, so obviously not everyone is going to have the same ring size as me. Okay, so I just made 2 more of the marble like blue and white rings, and now I'm gonna try to make the squiggly one with the like leftovers of this blue. And the squiggly ones, they look super cool, but they're really like chunky, so whoever loves that chunky look, this is gonna be perfect for them. But yeah, this one I have to make really thin, so give me a second. Okay, so I think I'm gonna make just a couple more and then I'll come back and update.
Minutes later.
Hello! So it is a few hours later actually. They weren't done when I put them in the first 15 minutes. I had to put them in for like, it was in total another 15 minutes, but I put like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, blah blah blah. So basically they're harder now, and I'm not even sure if I did them right, but I think that they look pretty cute. So now it is time to take this Mod Podge and we're gonna put them all over them and make them shiny. So I actually made a lot. Wow, 5, 26, 27, 28. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like put a little bit of this in the corner and then just start adding it. Okay, so let's see what we can do. I think I'm going to end off the video here. I am just waiting for them to dry, so stay tuned to see how they turned out. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was fun for you to watch. Be sure to go watch Anna's video after this one because it's going to be amazing. Please like and comment and check out the rest of my videos because I think that they're pretty cool, and you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, okay, bye.